Pressure PTSD. I'm glad it really is, because I know this room really good. Because you can't get out of it. There's a mini game, and it's annoying and hard because it's enraged IF station. Probably new. Nah, it ain't new. This game. That's new ambience. Oh, water is always a good sign. What the hell? No! Nah! I'm on HP! Glider! Oh. Okay, I'm doing it. Okay. Okay. Nah. Nah. We will swim safely, but our friends will not. Look back. My god, what the hell is this? I think it should not look like that. I'm a dumb.